So today we'll do chain rule of differentiation. So this is the most powerful rule in, you can say, differentiation. So before starting this, I want to ask you something. I have told you, suppose I have functions like this, sine 2x. So what was the derivative of this function?
2 cos 2x.
First work.
So I will say ki sine, what is the derivative of sine? Cos.
Cos.
So I will write it as it is. And now I will write derivative of 2x, that is 2. So this is also example of chain rule. So see, when you get some function of function, like you have some function fx, and fx is function of h of gx. So do you remember function of function? When the
Yes,
input of the function is another function. So now if I want to calculate dy by dx of fx, so I cannot solve like this. So what I will do, I will say dy by dx of h of gx, right? I need to calculate this. So what I will do, I will multiply something. I will multiply dgx upon dgx. I can do that. Okay.
yes, sir, we
So
can do that.
now see. So now g of h gx upon d of gx into d of gx upon dx, right? Now see. Now things are easier. Here, what is the input? Gx. And what is the differential element? Gx.
Gx.
Now it's fine. Here, whatever the function inside, I am differentiating the function with respect to x. So this is the basic formula. Now you will say, sir, I don't understand this. I know 90% of the kid will not understand, sir, what is going on. And it's completely okay. You don't have to, understand or remember this thing. If you are getting it, very good. If you are not getting, it's okay. We will understand this concept by example. Examples are very good way to learn chain rule. Like example, if I give you, tell me any complicated function you want to give me.
E
Any
to the
function.
power e to the power e.
that that is from the exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, some other than this. Suppose all of you know what is the differentiation of x, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the differentiation of x? 10x.
Sec square x.
But now I will make it a little bit complicated. I will say no, I will say x square plus 2. Now will the answer will be sec square x square plus 2?
No,
No,
sir.
No.
Into
No,
x
sir.
square x
2 into sec square,
x square
x
plus
square
2
plus 2.
plus 2.
No. See, I know one thing, that d by dx of 10x.
So we'll consider x square plus 2 as something.
Yes. So see, this is x. Here this is also x. These two are identical, right? So the answer will become sec square x, right? Okay. Suppose I say you d by d theta of 10 theta, it will become
Sec
what?
square theta.
You will say, but how will you say? You will say this is theta, this is also theta. Now I don't have to worry, I will just write it sec square theta. Suppose if I write d by d x square, and I want to say suppose Sine x square. So tell me, what will be the answer? So you will say here, what is this? X square. This is also x square. These two are identical, right? So my answer will become cos x square. That's it. Because I am getting the identical thing. So that thing I am going to do here. I am asking you to solve d by dx of fx. So I should write it d by dx of what? 10 x square plus 2. Now see, can I write it sec square? That no, because here the differential element is x और यहाँ क्या है? X square plus 2. तो ये तो identical है ही नहीं. So now what we will do, we will make it identical. How? कैसे किया मैंने? मैंने लिखा d 10 x square plus 2 upon d x square plus 2 d x square plus 2
upon
dx. Whatever that complicated thing was there, I wrote it here, up and down. So the equation is balanced. I don't have to worry about it. Now tell me. Here I am getting x square plus 2, and here is also x square plus 2.
sec
So the
square plus
So it
2.
would
Sec
become
square,
square
x
sec
square.
plus sec x square.
it will become x square plus 2 dot multiplication. Now I have to differentiate the function which was inside. तो क्या बन जाएगा? 2x plus 0. So my answer will become 2x x square plus 2. See here also, the function was inside, right? The function inside was gx. So I am differentiating gx again, and I am differentiating the function with respect to gx. So ultimately, what did we do? पहले मैंने किसका डेरिवेटिव किया? 10 का, and after that जो फंक्शन उसके अंदर था उसका. Everyone got it? Or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, now I will give you 2 examples and you guys solve it. Suppose I say fx is x square plus 1 की power 101. Okay, differentiate it. fx is to sin x की power 4. No, not 4.
For the first part, it is 2x into in brackets 100 into x square plus 1 raised to 100.
100 or 101?
So power is 100 and it is multiplied by 101
Yes, multiply by 101
into 2.
Okay. Yes.
So,
Everyone solve it. I want everyone to solve. Yes.
so we have to differentiate both of the equation, na?
Yeah, both are a different question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Both are different question.
For the second source, it is 6 sin x raised to 5 into cos x.
Yes. Good. So see, I know only one thing. If there was a function like x raised to 101, I could have done it easily, right? Huh? But now the function is what? X square plus 1 raised to 101. I need to write this. Now again I got stuck because here I am getting x square plus 1. Here I am getting x. I need to make it equal. Who's got a power cut in the area? Yali. Okay. Now how will you solve it? Okay, who will tell me? But first let me call the name and that person should tell me. Bhumi Singh from Seawood. Unmute beta. Bhumi Singh. No. Khushi from Thane.
Sir, you were calling me?
Yes, beta. I am asking. Okay, you tell me how will I solve it? Tell me the steps.
Sir, we write d x square bracket x square plus 1. Then divide x square
Yes,
plus
yeah.
1 into
Yeah. Yeah.
dx square plus 1 upon dx.
Yes. Okay. Now I can identify that. Okay, these things are same. This is and this is are same. So this is my x की power 101. तो क्या बन जाएगा 101 x square plus 1 की power 100. And what is the derivative of this? 2x.
2x.
So it will become 202x x square plus 1 raised to 100. This is my f dash x. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here f dash x will become dy dx of sine x raised to 6. Okay. So the answer will become what?
So
6 sin
I
x
will-
to the power 5 into cos x.
Yes, I will write it like this. Sine 6 and dy sine x upon dx. So it will become 6. So 6 sine raised to 5x. And what is the derivative of sine x?
cos x.
Cos x.
Okay. So these are the methods. Now I will tell you a very easy method, by which method you can solve any differentiation easily. You remember one thing. We always,
Sir, can you scroll a little up?
Yeah.
I was writing the last.
just say,
Thank you, sir.
function. We always differentiate function. So if I say you that my function is sine, then what will be the derivative of sine?
Cos.
Cos.
उसके अंदर कुछ भी उससे नहीं फर्क पड़ता ना. ठीक है. Again, if my function is suppose 10x, then what
X
will be the
square x.
derivative? X square x. Okay. So now I will tell you one method. Suppose you are having function like this. Okay. Sine ln 10x square and whole to the power 3. The function is very complicated. Okay. Now tell me how you will calculate this function. Suppose if I give you values of x, then what will be your calculation method? First of all, that value will go into where?
The 3 will come down.
So 3 will come down.
No. I am saying ki what is the sequence of an calculation?
So first we will apply chain rule for sine.
Arey beta, no, I am not talking about the
Sir,
differentiation.
we will can.
I'm okay.
Sir.
Wait. Okay, listen. Okay, wait. Listen the question. This is function. Function क्या होता है? I will give you input and you will give me output. Okay. Suppose I give you input as x. Now tell me what is the sequence of calculation. तुम्हारा function calculation कैसे करेगा? first of all that value will go into
tan x
x.
square की वैल्यू करेंगे.
Square.
सबसे पहले क्या कैलकुलेट होगा? x square. The value will go into x. So first of all, it will become square. See, and that square value will go into
tan
10. Whatever the output will come, that output will go into
ln
ln
and that output will go
Sine.
into
sin
sine, and after that we will make it cube. So see, just figure the sequence of calculation. Now differentiation works just a reverse. Just write this function again. Okay, so my function is what? Sine ln 10 x square and the whole raised to 3. Okay, now I am writing f dash x. So what did I do in the end? I make it cube, right? This cube was calculated in the end. So the function is something raised to power 3. So what is the derivative of something raised to 3?
3x square.
Into that
X
that
cube.
the number into x square.
Into 2. अगर मेरे पास में फंक्शन x क्यूब है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है?
3x की पावर 2.
Okay, so 3. Whatever is inside, क्या है inside? x ln 10 x square का square, right? Now the cube is gone. Okay, remove it. Whenever you solve the question, solve like this. Okay, remove. Now what is the part? Now I can see sine. क्या होता है sine का?
cos
So I made it dot cos whatever inside ln 10 x square. Okay, now sine is gone. Cool. Now
ln is 1 upon the function.
what is the function?
It
ln क्या होता है ln का?
1 upon 10x
1
square.
upon tan x square.
1 upon जो भी उसके अंदर है 10 x square डॉट. अब इसका भी हो गया ln का भी. ln भी हटा दिया. अब क्या बचा?
tan
Tan
x
x square.
क्या होता है 10 का?
Sec x
sec
square.
square. अब इसका भी हो गया 10. अब यहाँ क्या बचा?
x square.
क्या होता है
That
x
is
स्क्वायर का?
2x.
2x.
2x. अब इसका भी हो गया x स्क्वायर का भी. Finish. My function is over. This is my differentiation. So every time you can solve the question like this till your function is completely vanished. Okay, now it
So
doesn't
can we get this complex function to find such like instantaneous velocity or instantaneous acceleration? Or
it matters. Suppose if I give you function like this, then you have to do it. Okay,
so sir,
See,
mainly we get or not?
You can get.
Okay, sir.
I will give you in the examination. matlab, it's my choice na what kind of question I want to give you. There's always a possibility. Okay, these kind of questions you will get in maths mostly, because in the maths question will be complicated because they want to check the differentiation of yours. They want to see that will you be able to solve the complicated question or not. Okay, now I'll give you some more complicated function. Some guys told me that f theta is e की power theta square. Now tell me what will be the f dash theta. Solve it.
So it is e raised to theta. So what is that?
Theta square.
Theta square. Okay, so
So you should remember only one thing, that d by dx of e की power x is e की power x.
So sir, it will be e to the power e to the power theta square dot e to the power theta square dot 2 theta.
So mechanism is same. You have to write e की power, how many e's are there? E की power theta square. Okay. Which is the
Sir, I have a
last
doubt.
function? Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
After writing e, can't we just write e raised to e square like that? Like after the first e?
No, you cannot. Nah. See, you have to first check the calculation sequence. I will give you value of theta. So what you will do? You will first make it square. Then you will give that number into power of e. So you will get some another number. That another number will go again into the power of e. Then you will get something else. And that something else will go into power of e again. So at the end, this e was calculated. This, I will make it red. This is my last e which was calculated, right? So when I will out differentiate, so I will differentiate the last function first. So what is my last function?
E,
कौन सा e? ये वाला.
the red one.
This e, and the power is what? E की power.
So basically the same function will come down, sir. Means in
Yes,
Yes,
same
sir.
function, because I know that e की power x equal to क्या होता है? E की power
Sir,
x. So my function e की power theta square. So now this e is gone, the first e. Okay, now it's gone. Now,
So
yes,
we will
E
write
की
that.
power e की power theta square.
e की power theta square, right?
Yes.
Now this e is also gone.
E की power
Okay.
theta square.
E to the
Now-
power theta square.
Now this e is also gone. Now
Theta
what
square.
Theta
what
square.
is क्या होता है theta square का derivative?
2 theta.
2 theta.
Theta. Now this is also gone. So my whole function is over. So my differentiation is over. You can solve all the question in a single line. Doesn't matter how complicated is the function. That is why we say that we can differentiate any function. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt? Any? So now you can solve.
Sir, we will just write 2 theta, right?
Yes. Because the differentiation of theta square is what? 2
Yeah,
theta.
but then why put the dot in it?
This is the multiplication. This dot is the multiplication, right? See, because I am here, you can see I am just multiplying things. Now, so this dot is for multiplication.
Sir, can you please give 1 or 2 more examples?
Yes, I'll give you. So now you can solve lecture 3. Okay. Okay, in class example.
So this would be our homework, na?
Yes. Okay. See ya. Okay, I'll give you few more examples. So just suppose fx is e की power 10 x plus 1. Okay, tell me. What is f dash x?
Sir, e to the power 10x plus 1 into sec square x plus 1.
So first you write e की power 10x plus 1. Okay. So first of all, I am saying that e की power something. What is the derivative of e की power something? Same.
e to the power something.
Something. Whatever is that something, I don't care. Now e is gone. Now I am looking at 10.
10.
What is the derivative of 10?
Sec
X
square.
square.
Sec square. So sec square x plus 1. Now my this 10 is also gone. Now what I'm seeing?
So
X
1.
plus 1. That
X
is
plus
1.
1. What is the derivative of x plus 1?
1.
So 1. So okay, I don't have to write 1. So this is over. More.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me. What is the derivative of this function? Find f dash x. Solve it.
Sir, I'm not understanding one thing.
Yes.
So why are you putting that dot between the two terms, sir? So you can just write sec square x plus 1, right?
Yes. The dot is just that these terms are separate. By chance
So
you
that
don't.
is not multiplication.
No,
That
that
is-
is a multiplication only. This dot is a multiplication
Oh
only.
yes, yes.
Yes. See
Yes, sir.
here. Where is my
Yes,
first
sir,
term?
understood.
Don't this see this, look at this box. I have just multiplied these two steps. Okay, so this dot is multiplication. I'm just writing because in the variables what happens, sometimes people mix it up, so that is why I give some space also, that you don't get confused or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll differentiate it.
So completed.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, it's much complex, so can't.
Okay, okay, fine. So first of all, सबसे पहले तुमको क्या दिख रहा है? रूट. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will write it without different colors. So first I write this black one. My last calculation is this and black one. Then again I check x plus root this, and after that x plus root x. Okay, this is my function. So first of all, I started with root. So what is the differentiation of root?
Half
का मतलब क्या
x
होता है?
minus half.
सपोज अगर ऐसा समझ में ना आए तो यू एक साइड में जाओ और अलग से लिख लो कि अगर एफ एक्स की वैल्यू है रूट एक्स तो एफ डैश एक्स क्या होता है?
So 1 upon
Half
1 by 2
x.
root x.
2 रूट एक्स. ओके, सो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? रूट. तो क्या होता है रूट का? 1 by
2 root x.
2 और जो भी कुछ उसके अंदर था, राइट? तो उसके अंदर क्या है?
Yes, x plus root x plus root x.
Right? This dot is multiplication. Now my this root is over, right? Okay, now I have to differentiate it all. So what will it become?
So
Bracket.
1 plus.
So 1 x का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस. Now again root. क्या होता है रूट का?
1 by 2
1 by 2
root x plus root x.
जो भी उसके अंदर है, राइट? ओके, अब अंदर आओ. इसके अंदर क्या बच गया?
x plus root x.
तो मैं x का डेरिवेटिव 1, x का डेरिवेटिव
1 2.
1/4. बस इट्स ओवर.
सर आपने वहाँ 1+1 क्यों डाला है?
क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये भी है ना, x भी है ना. x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है?
ओके ओके ओके.
1. So see, if we talk about physics, in physics we don't require this complicated or differentiation. I am just teaching you so that it will be helpful for you in the mathematics. You should know, it makes you confident. Okay, so we will not be required so much complicated or differentiation in the physics, but you should know. Clear?
Yes.
Shall I move ahead? Now one more thing. There is one thing called parametric equation. Do you know what is that?
No, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I say you that my x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. ये क्या है? Coordinate है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And suppose suppose I say y equal to x plus 2. So I can say this point will lie on this graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is called equation in x and y, right? There is one more kind of equation which is called parametric equation. Parametric equation is I represent both x and y in terms of different and a variable. Just if I say x equal to 3t and y equal to 6t square plus 2, right? I can do it. Now
Sir.
see, now tell me which point will lie on this line. Suppose I put t equal to 1, so it will become 3 comma what?
8.
3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8 will lie on this function. And again, if I want to check, suppose I take and t equal to -1, so it will become -3 8 and so on. So these kind of equations are called parametric equation. Suppose here I want to calculate dy by dx. So how will I do it? I will just differentiate to this equation, so I will get 1, right? Suppose here I want suppose in this example, if I want to calculate dy by dx, batao, how will you solve it?
Sir, chain rule.
No, you don't have to go for chain rule. You do one thing. There's,
Sir,
tricks.
we'll multiply by dt by dt.
See, this is x. X is 3t. Here is x. Here is t. Can I solve it or dx by dt?
Yes, sir. 3.
Easily, it will become 3. Here is this y. Y is 6t square plus 2. So here also I will calculate or dy by dt. What will it become?
12t.
12t. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Suppose now if I divide equation 2 divided by 1, so it will become dy by dt into dt by dx, right? So it will become 12t
Yes.
upon 3. And now see, dt cancel. So it will become dy by dx, and that is 40. Cool. My answer.
So sir, basically we can just multiply by dt by dt.
Yes,
Oh yes sir.
because what is this? This is chain rule only, na? So rather than,
That's 60
yes,
equals 20.
now if you want to replace that t, so I can replace this. Now what is the value of t? X by 3. So I will put it 4 x by 3. If
Yes, right.
there are, if see, now you have to check the options. If options are in terms of x, then you can replace like this. If options are in t, then you cannot leave it like this. So these things are comparatively easier. See, okay, I'll give you an example. Suppose x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Find dy by dx. Tell me.
So R is a
Sir,
constant.
tan theta.
Yes, r is constant.
So minus cot theta.
Yes sir, minus cot theta.
Okay. So suppose now if I ask you the answer you should represent in terms of x, then how will you do it?
So we will replace r by x upon cos theta. Oh sorry sir, x
Yes.
is cutting.
Yes, yes.
X. Sir, then theta can be represented in terms of cos inverse.
Yes. So see, first I will say what? Dx by d theta, it will become minus r sin theta. I differentiated the function with respect to theta. Then I will calculate dy by d theta. It will become r cos theta. Now I have to calculate dy by dx. So it will become, I have to divide this, so it will become minus cot theta. So my question is done here. Now I have to look for the options. If my options are given in x, so it will become, I can make a right angle triangle. If this angle is theta, okay, so what is an cos theta kya hota hai? This is x, this is r, so this is y, है ना? See, x by r equal to cos theta and x by r by y equal to sin theta, right? So now if I want to calculate what is the cot theta in this equation, so that will become x by
X upon Y.
y. So I can write it, so that is minus x by y also. Okay, if you want the answer in terms of x and y, I'll give you in x and y. So see, you have to change the variable. These all are called simplification. What?
So can you extend this last point again?
Come again?
How to change it? Sir, how to change that in the form of x?
Okay, so see, you just go for the first equation. First equation is what? x by r equal to cos theta. Yes. Now I will make a right angle triangle. Okay. So suppose I say oh, this angle is theta, so it will become r. This will become x, right?
Yes, sir.
And from the second equation, I can say sine theta is what? Y by r. So this is theta. So this has to be y,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Y by r equal to sine theta. Now I have to calculate what? Cot theta. So it will become, what is cot theta in this triangle? X by y. So I will put there. So these are the things that you can do like this with, you can say, simplification. Okay. Doubts? Any doubts? किसी को कोई issue?
No, sir.
Now, one more a variety. Differentiation with different variable. That means that variable is not available in the equation. Okay, so for that we will use chain rule. How? Suppose if I give you y equal to pi r square. Okay. Pi x square. Suppose if I ask you what is dy by dx. So tell me.
Pi 2x.
So pi is constant, and what is the derivative of x? 2x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, किसी को कुछ इसके अंदर problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I ask you now, what is dy by dt? I am not asking what is dy by dx. I am asking what is dy by dt. Then how will you solve it?
So can we write it as pi
So
into
B will
2x?
multiply and divide by dt upon dx.
Yes. So there are two methods. Okay. Either you can solve it like this. You say, okay, I will write it dy by dx dot dx by dt, right? Or dx will cancel out. And you will get with the dy by dt. What is the dy by dx? Now just I calculate 2 pi x into dx by. So see, ये क्या है? Chain rule है ये भी.
So sir, we have to at last left it as dx by dt.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
See, okay. Now one more method. The second method of solving the same equation. If I give you y equal to pi x square and I need to find dy by dt. So I'll do it. How? I know what is my function. Pi into x square. So pi is constant. I will put it here. Okay. Now, what is this function? Square. Something square. क्या होता है square का derivative?
2x.
2 into that function or that variable.
2 into that. Okay. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. So whatever is inside it fine. So 2 into x. Now my square is over. Okay. So now what I am left with? X. So what is the derivative of x with respect to t? Dx by dt. So now my x is also gone. So now my answer will become 2 pi x dx by dt. See, same. Both
Sir,
are
can
same.
you explain it again, the second method?
Okay, wait. I will give you one more example. Suppose I say x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is constant, and I need to find dy by dx. नहीं, इसको अभी निकाल. Suppose I give you one function. You know what is the formula for surface area of sphere?
Yes, sir. 4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube.
That is the beta volume. I am asking surface area.
Sir, 4
3 pi r square.
4 pi r square. ये होता surface area. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? This is area. Now I need to find out dA by dt. You need to calculate. 4 is constant, pi is constant.
Sir, it will be 8 pi r into dr by dt.
See, now I will come with that. So I will say dA by dt. 4 pi will remain as it is. 4 pi is just a number. My function is what? R square. Now I have to differentiate r square with respect to what? T, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, what is this function? Square, right? So किसी भी function का square हो रहा है. So what will be the differentiation? Square का differentiation क्या होता है?
That function.
Yes, twice. So 2 into that function. Now square is gone. Remove this square. Now what I am left with? R. But I have to differentiate with respect to t. So simply dr by dt. So it will become 8 pi r dr by dt. Got it? किसने पूछा था?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, again, clear? So these are the methods when we do. So you have two methods. Okay, it's completely your choice whether you want to solve it like this or you want to solve it like this. Whatever you are comfortable with, it's completely your choice. कर लोगे? Anyone has some doubt in this? Okay, now last thing. Finding dy by dx from equation of x and y. Suppose there is a complicated equation between x and y, and then you have to find dy by dx. This is the most important thing. This is very useful also. देखो अभी तक के फंक्शन में क्या था? You were given y equal to some function of x. तो हम बोलते थे कि in left hand side I have y, and right hand side I have x, right? So I can differentiate easily. Now my things will become changed. These are functions. Now I will get equation. What is the meaning of an equation? क्या होता है? What is equation? कौन बताएगा? हेलो, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो tell me, what is equation? You are saying क्या बोलता है, linear equation, quadratic equation. So I am just asking, what is the definition of equation?
Sir, statement which are equal.
Statement, no. We don't say statement, we say expression.
Sir.
When we equate to अपने expressions. Statement तो English हो जाएगा ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose if I give you some equation and the equation is complicated one, it's not like the easy one, like x square plus y square equal to 2xy. See, यहाँ भी x है, वहां भी x है, यहाँ भी y है, वहां भी y है, और तुमसे पूछा है फाइंड dy by dx. Now you cannot, do कि यार एक साइड में x आ गया, एक साइड y आ गया. I cannot do that. Then how will I do it? Any idea?
So you can write it as x minus y whole square or something like that.
नहीं, लेकिन उससे होगा क्या? So whenever you are getting such an expression, so what you can do, one thing, in the equation you can do any operation both the sides. You can make square, you can make cube. Yes.
So is it 1? No.
1?
The answer?
Maybe. Yes. 1. Okay. Let me make it a little bit complicated. Square equal to 0. Or you can say, wait. So any complicated expression can be here. So to solve such situation, what I'll do, I will say x square plus y square plus 2x square y equal to 10. So can I do one thing? I will make the bracket and the whole equation I can take out dy by dx, right?
Yes, sir.
I can do it. I can make any operation both the sides. It's fine because this is the equation. In the equation you can do it. Anything. Now you have to differentiate. Tell me. So what will be the step? My first step will be d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square plus 2 will come out, d by dx of x square y equal to
0.
क्या होगा इसका डेरिवेटिव? 0 because 10 is constant. Come to second step. What is the derivative of x square? देखो यहाँ भी x है, यहाँ भी x है, क्या बन जाएगा? 2x प्लस यहाँ क्या बनेगा?
तो सेम ही रहेगा.
नहीं, ऊपर y है, नीचे क्या है?
सर x है तो अच्छा सर.
नहीं wait. This is square of something.
So 2y dy by dx.
Yes. तो स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है?
सर 2y मतलब 2. into
2y.
that.
2y. Now I'm left with y. Okay. Now 2. Here I'm getting two functions. One function is x square,
Product
one
rule.
function is y. So I will use product tool. What is my product tool? I will keep x square as it is and dy by dx plus I will keep
2x.
y as
Yeah, 2x basically.
dx square by dx equal to 0. So
Yes.
now I will see this 2, and this 2 will cancel out because yes,
Yes, sir.
0 is there.
Yeah.
So it will become x plus y into dy by dx plus it will become x square dy by dx plus
2x.
2x equal to 0. Now you can do one thing. Dy by dx you can take common. It will become y plus x square and it will become minus 2xy plus x. So dy by dx will become minus
2xy plus
2xy plus
y plus x square.
x square plus 1. So if some equation is given, then you have to find dy by dx like this. Okay. Now you want to try some more example? Okay, do it once. Suppose x cube plus y cube equal to 3xy. Okay. So find dy by dx. Okay, do it, everyone. First, you can take help from the above equation, and then you can solve it.
What is the equation again? X cube plus y cube
Equal to 3xy.
Okay, sir. Got it. So I got dy by dx is y minus x square upon y square minus x.
Yes, cool.
Sir, can you
Catch it?
please solve it?
Yes. I will solve it. First, I'm giving time so that you can try. So I have equation x cube plus y cube equal to 3x y. What I'll do, I will differentiate the equation both sides, dy by dx. I can make any operation both the side, and in the equation that is valid because both the sides are equal. So now I will separate the terms. So this will become d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube equal to 3 times d by dx of xy. Now see, first term is very easy. Yes, first term is what?
Sir, 3x square.
3x square.
भाई ऊपर भी x है नीचे भी x है, so it will become 3x square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3x square plus now.
Sir, 3
d
square
y cube.
dy by dx.
So see, y cube. So any function is getting power 3. So what is the derivative of power 3? Power 3 is 3 into
3
power
y
2.
square dot dy
Now,
by dx.
now that power 3 is gone, so I'm left with y. So y का derivative dy by dx plus 3. Now there are two functions, so I will use product rule. So I will use x here, dy by dx, and I will y I keep dx by dx. So it will become 3 cancel out 3. So x square plus y square dy by dx equal to x dy by dx plus y. Now dy by dx इनको एक तरफ ले आते हैं, तो dy by dx मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, तो y square minus x equal to y minus x square. So dy by dx will become y minus x square upon y square minus x. Tell me, any problem? Any problem with this?
सर ये 3 कैसे कट गया?
अरे बेटा I divide, suppose कहीं पे ऐसा लिखा हुआ है 3x plus 3y equal to 3r, so I can cancel out 3 ना?
So can you scroll?
हाँ?
Yes sir.
Yes, तो यहाँ भी ऐसा ही है, देखो यहाँ भी 3 है, यहाँ भी 3 है, यहाँ भी 3 है.
Yes.
कैंसिल कर देते ना? हाँ, इक्वेशन में है ना, तो इक्वेशन में you cannot divide the whole equation by 3, so that 3 will cancel out. Yes. Tell me, any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
No? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last thing. When functions are exponent of variables. Okay, like if I say you my fx is x raised to x, right? I don't know how to solve it because I cannot say that the function is my x square. So my x square में क्या बन जाता है? That power comes out और power में से एक subtract कर देते हैं. But that power has to be a number. But here the exponent, that exponent जो है, that is also a variable. It is not a constant. Okay, so these are, you can say, different kind of questions. So for these kind of question, we use log.
Is the answer 2x into x raised to x?
No. How?
Sir, it is x raised to x into ln x plus 1.
Yes. So because suppose कहीं पे ऐसा होता है x square, तो I can write it 2x. अगर x की power 4 होता तो I can write it 4x cube. But here x raised to x, my exponent is also variable and I don't have any formula for that, because I have told you that if fx is x raised to n, then f dash is n into x raised to n minus 1, where n is a number, constant number, right? So I don't have any formula for the variable. Yes, बस सबको इतना समझ में आया ना कि I cannot solve this thing with standard method, right?
Yes,
so what
sir.
I will assume it as a y. Suppose I wrote it y. Y is x raised to x. I will take log both sides, ln. Ln y equal to ln x raised to x. Now tell me, ln y. What is this? कि क्या होता है अगर ln के अंदर पावर होता है तो पावर comes out, right?
So now we can differentiate both sides.
Yes. Now this is a equation and I will differentiate both sides with x. So my this will become dy by dx ln y equal to dy by dx x into ln x. In the right hand side, I am getting two functions which are in multiplication. So I will use product rule. Here I am getting chain rule because here I am getting x and inside is y. Okay, first tell me what is the derivative of ln?
1 by y.
1 by whatever is inside. So 1 by y. Now my ln is gone. I am left with y. All right. Equal to, now I will use a product rule. X dy dx of ln x plus ln x dx by dx, a product rule. So now I will become dy by dx will become, see, it will become what? X into 1 by x plus ln x, and I will multiply it by y. So my dy by dx will become y. Y क्या है देखो, हाँ, x raised to x. So x raised to x 1 plus ln x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are getting exponents, so see here also I am using chain rule. These all are, you know, variation of chain rule. So chain rule जो है वो बहुत powerful. So see, now solve lecture 3 tutorial, lecture 3 questions. Now you can solve all the questions. Okay, see, I know I have, I have taught you so many new things today. It is very difficult to digest. So what you will do today, first you have to solve, first you have to read all the examples which I have done today. Then you solve those questions without looking at your notes, and after that start lecture 3 question. In the next class we will do doubts. जो भी lecture 3 में you will get problem, or if you are want some particular thing to revise, then we can do that. Okay.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So you will be sharing this
what
notes, right?
What?
So you will be sharing this these notes, right?
Yes, I'll share all the notes on the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so slowly you have to do all the questions. Don't be in hurry. Give your full time. Okay, give your full time so that you can solve every question in every step. Calm, give your time, understand the thing that what step I have done, and there is a chance that your pattern of solving the question is completely different from mine. हो सकता है. Okay, so just check the last answer. If last answer now tell me you have any doubts or something?
So today only can you upload the
Yes, right now in 5-10 minutes I will do. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.